Hello and welcome to Fintech Forward. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of financial technology as it stands in 2025. The landscape is transforming rapidly, moving past the initial hype and focusing squarely on practical execution. We're seeing incredible growth, with the global market expected to top $460 billion this year and potentially hitting $1 trillion within the next decade. So what's fueling this transformation? A big part of the answer is artificial intelligence. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's deeply integrated into the core of fintech. Think about automated lending decisions, cutting down processing times dramatically. AI is also powering risk management, regulatory compliance, often called RegTech, and even financial reporting. It's enabling hyper-personalized financial advice and services, tailored specifically to your needs. And crucially, AI is bolstering security, fighting fraud in real time, and defending against sophisticated cyber threats. Financial institutions are investing heavily here, recognizing AI's power to create real value and a competitive edge. Next up is embedded finance. This is all about weaving financial services seamlessly into our daily lives and non-financial platforms. Thanks to open banking regulations and APIs, you can now find payment, lending, or insurance options directly within e-commerce sites, software platforms, or even ride-hailing apps. It means fintechs are increasingly becoming the infrastructure providers, enhancing user experience, and opening up new revenue streams for all sorts of businesses. This embedded market is booming. Blockchain technology, digital assets, and decentralized finance, or DeFi, are also maturing. Institutions are adopting blockchain for more efficient and transparent settlements and trade finance. We're seeing global exploration of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Stablecoins are gaining ground for transactions, and the tokenization of real-world assets like property is making markets more accessible. DeFi continues to evolve, offering alternative peer-to-peer financial services. Payments innovation is relentless. Real-time payments are becoming the norm. Solutions for cross-border payments are getting faster and cheaper. Virtual cards are exploding, especially for business-to-business transactions, offering better control and security. And we're seeing a global approach, balancing global payment capabilities with local preferences. With all this digitization, cybersecurity is absolutely critical. AI-driven security, behavioral biometrics, and advanced fraud prevention are essential. Digital identity solutions are also improving, incorporating biometrics into secure digital wallets. Of course, regulation plays a huge role. Regulators globally are increasing their oversight, particularly around crypto, AI, buy now, pay later schemes, and data privacy. This complexity is driving the growth of RegTech, using technology to manage compliance efficiently. There is also a push for more global coordination on standards, especially for digital assets and AI. The key challenge remains balancing innovation with consumer protection and financial stability. Looking at the bigger picture, the fintech market continues its strong growth, with significant investment flowing in, especially to business-focused solutions. We're seeing more partnerships between traditional banks, fintechs, and even big tech companies. Collaboration is key. The focus remains firmly on the customer experience, demanding personalization and seamless integration. Fintech is also making strides in financial inclusion, bringing services to underserved populations, and we're seeing a growing interest in sustainable or green fintech. Importantly, the industry emphasis is shifting from just having innovative ideas to actually executing them efficiently, securely, and at scale. So, the fintech ecosystem in 2025 is incredibly dynamic. AI and embedded finance are major forces, while regulation shapes the playing field. Collaboration, customer focus, and solid execution are the ingredients for success. By working together, fintechs, traditional players, and regulators can harness technology responsibly to build a more inclusive, efficient, and resilient financial future for everyone. That's all for this edition of Fintech Forward. Thanks for tuning in.